Hi everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and if you have tile or hardwood floors, you probably will need a good mop, a good bucket, and I want to recommend you what I have here. Let me tell you, I'm not getting any kickback, I'm not in any kind of relationship with this company, but let me tell you why I love this bucket, this mop system, and why I recommend this to my clients. A few of my clients, they ask me, after you guys do the steam cleaning of my tile or clean my hardwood floor, what else can I use to clean my floors? First of all, you should use a neutral floor cleaner, and then you need a good bucket system. Why do I love this one? First of all, if you see here, this is we use this mop, but this is microfiber, and if you see the plastic, we got like an inch, and you want to scratch your hardwood floors, this one comes with a few sets. You can replace this by just pulling like this, and then you can put a different head. The sets that we get come with a few of these heads. Let me put it back on. All right, now that it's on, this section is also adjustable. You can twist and it comes down. You can make it shorter, or if you're tall, you can stretch it out all the way. You put your solution on the bucket, get it wet, and then one thing that I love about this bucket is that you can choose how much water you can put on your floor. If you're mopping hardwood floors, I recommend to use hardly any water, just a little wet. How do you get water off this? If you can come here, you will see. I'm going to, do you see this pedal back here? I'm going to press down, and then this will spin and it will get the water out. Check how much water will come out. See, I'm getting all the water out of the mop, and it's good to go. And I'm going to show you something. Check this out. If you want to know how much water you got out, you can press this like I'm doing with my fingers to see if I get any water out. You can hardly get any water, but it's wet. Check on the hardwood floor. Or you can hardly see if it's getting any wet, but the mop is wet, and there's not a lot of water here. If you're cleaning tile, you go in, and instead of spinning this a lot, you can leave a little bit of water, and then you go over. Let's see how much water I left on this now. See, I'm leaving more water in the mop. But if you are looking for a good mop system to clean your floors, I highly recommend to, what's the name of this? Cedar, oak cedar. You can find it in many places. We don't get any kickback, but it's a really good system, and we highly recommend it to all our clients. And don't forget, please, when you're cleaning floors, to use a neutral floor cleaner. If you have any question, please leave a comment on this video. One more time, this is Dayton with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Thank you.